Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. Before we get started, I want to introduce our new Miss Planet website. I'm so excited. Please head on over to missplanet.com or click right there in the corner to check it out. So many wonderful resources as well as a free resource library. So check it out and tell me what you think. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Marche. I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not Marche, please forgive me. And she writes, "Hi, I am planning a wedding next year. I have been looking at your designs on YouTube and was wondering if you could help me out. I'm looking for a table centerpiece. The theme is the fruit lemon. I have chosen this because the groom's last name is Lemon. That is so sweet. I love it. So any help you could give me would be appreciated. Thank you so much, Marche." Well, Marche, not only am I going to show you how we created this beautiful lemon wedding centerpiece, I'm also going to give you the links to all the supplies that you will need to create it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Lemon Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. We're going to utilize two vases to create our base of our centerpiece. One is a 5x12 and the other is a 3x10. We're simply going to place the 3x10 inside in the center, creating about 1/4 of an inch space all the way around. Then we're going to take our 4 to 6 lemons, slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick, and place them around our outside of our 3x10 vase. Be sure to leave about a 1/2 inch space at the top so that we have space to place our styrofoam disc that we're going to attach our flower arrangement to. I'm going to use the rim of our 5x12 inch cylinder vase to go ahead and make an indentation as to what the size we need for our styrofoam disc, and then just take our foam cutter and trim it out. That way it'll be a nice and snug fit into our vase. Well, Marche, what do you think? It's absolutely lemony delicious. I love it. Couple of things. Because you're using fresh produce, you need to make these arrangements the day of. Quick tip though, you can make the flower arrangement top into your styrofoam beforehand so that all you're doing the day of is cutting, placing the lemons, and then you're simply popping the tops right on top, making a few flower adjustments, and you're ready to go. So this is definitely a pre-prep type of Centerpiece. Well, we try to make all of our centerpieces that way. Well, Marche, I hope you like it. And also, another thing, if you want to use these in your aisle, I suggest you sit them on different heights of pedestals. So have pedestals that are about 3 feet high, one that's maybe 5 feet high, maybe one that's 6 feet high. That way you create some dimension and you just transfer these centerpieces from your wedding venue all the way over to your reception venue. Super simple. So I hope those tips help you. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And guess what? If you want to hang out with us some more, head on over to our social media and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. Super, super simple. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to the account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple, guys. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, but before I go, I want to remind you that the links to all the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below the video. Just click on the Show More button and you will have all the information at your fingertips so that you can create this beautiful DIY project right in the comfort of your own home. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our new website on MissPlanet.com. You can click right there in the corner or click the link in the description to get there. I'm so excited about it. It's so much more user-friendly and we have so many free resources and just lots of tips and tricks and things so that you can create the wedding or event of your dreams. So don't forget to head out and check out MissPlanet.com. Well, guys, until next time, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.